Meaning of dipstick.
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 Dipstick. The term dipstick typically refers to a device used to measure the fluid level in a vehicle's engine oil or transmission. To use a dipstick, it is inserted into the oil or transmission fluid reservoir and removed to check the fluid level. The dipstick has markings that indicate the correct level of fluid. If the fluid level is too low, it can lead to engine or transmission damage. Regularly checking and maintaining fluid levels with a dipstick is an important part of vehicle maintenance to ensure proper function and longevity.